My YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us discuss a last topic in this chapter, that is relationship of audit with other disciplines. So auditing should have a relationship between other branches of accounting, such as accounting, mathematics and statistics, economics, laws. He should know. He should even know the computer information, financial management, and behavioral science. So accounting. So why accounting means, that the auditor should evaluate the financial statements. So he should verify whether the financial statements are properly prepared or not. So he should have the complete knowledge of accounting, the principles of accounting and all. So he should have the relationship between accounting discipline. Next, mathematics and statistics. So what happens while preparing the financial statements? Certain calculations have to be done. Various computations should be done, like depreciation, provision for bad debts, example. So he might use certain mathematical and statistical tools for that. So even the auditor is related with this particular discipline also. Next is economics. So what happens? He should know, the auditor should have the proper information about the inflation, deflation, and the other economic concepts. So the economics discipline also very important for an auditor. Next, laws. So there are various laws like income tax laws, business regulations laws, okay, the Information Technology Act. So various act and laws, he should be master in all those things. He should have a good knowledge about all these business laws, mercantile laws and all. So again, that is also very important for an auditor. Next, computer information system. So nowadays, all the companies are maintaining their books of accounts digitally to computer softwares. So the auditor should be familiar with the computer software so that he should even have the computer knowledge to conduct the audit. Next, financial management. So the auditor should be able to find out uh, the financial tools or the financial techniques in order to evaluate the financial statements. So you should have the knowledge of the financial management also. Next is behavioral science. So auditor should deal with the people of the organization. Okay, he should again make his people work for him. So he should understand the mindset of the people. He should understand the behavior of the people. He should know how to deal with the people. So behavioral science also plays a very important role. So here completes your first chapter in the auditing. So from my next video, I'll come back with the second chapter in the auditing.